Hello friends, I'm Esan from eBangalore.property.com. This is BLR number 42, independent house available for sale where you can stay as well as get rental income. Located in Electronic City Phase 2, walkable from Tech Mahindra, 20 by 40 north facing site, 800 square feet land area, 2019 construction. North facing site, this is parking area. 2 cars and multiple 2-wheelers can be parked. Central lift is also there. Automatic lift connecting all the floors, ground plus 4 floor construction. Central lift, CCTV camera, individual power meters, own borewell. 1 BHK, totally 7 houses and 1 2 BHK unit. On the ground floor, 1 BHK to the back side. First floor 2 BHK where owner can stay, or you can entire building also you can rent it out. Second, third and fourth floor 1 BHK plus 1 BHK. In the terrace there is a common bathroom and laundry space is there. So first floor has 2 BHK. I will show you at the end. 2 BHK I will show you later in the end of the video. At the time of shooting the tenants had moved in recently. So first we will see the 1 BHK typical floor. In the center this is a duct for ventilation purpose. And all houses have small utility and balcony. Even this 1 BHK also has a small balcony area, utility area. East facing doors. This is living room. As it is a resale property fully fitted, you need not do anything. As it is, buy and start getting the rent. Light, fan, geyser, everything is working, running condition. This is kitchen, modular kitchen. Right side, left side, back side. In the center, ventilation purpose ducts are given. Very well planned property, I will say, in a 2040 800 square feet land area. All vitrified flooring. This is bedroom, wardrobe, dressing mirror. All wardrobes have double laminates inside outside. 4000 square feet of super built up area. This is utility and balcony within the room, and this is a common bathroom. All ISI brand fittings with geyser, hand wash basin, shower, toilet. So this was backside typical 1 BHK, totally 4 units like that. Now we will see the front side 1 BHK. Again east facing door, and like this totally 3 units are there in this building. Advantage of this property, one more advantage is the location. It is walkable from Tech Mahindra, second phase. Good location and all facilities are there within walkable distance. So this is another 1 BHK, living, kitchen, loft, bedroom, bathroom and utility. This is bedroom, roadside facing. Concrete roads in this area, and this is the utility. Common bathroom. So this was typical floor. Second, third and fourth floor all are identical like this. 1 BHK plus 1 BHK. Now we will see the first floor 2 BHK unit. East facing door. Directly you enter into the dining actually. So this is dining. There is a puja room. Living room in the northwest corner. Kitchen in the southeast. This is kitchen. Utility area is there attached to kitchen. There is also one utility within the bedroom. So modular kitchen. Tenants are living right now. And this is master bedroom in the southwest corner with attached bathroom. wardrobe, sliding door, double cot can come. And this is the actual living room. There is common bathroom and second bedroom. So this is a second bedroom and there is a balcony. 2 BHK. If you want, you can rent out full building or you can stay here and get rental income. This location 1 BHK is getting around 7,000 rupees rent per month as shown in this video. 2 BHK you can get easily around 12,000 per month. Total expected rental is 60,000 rupees per month in the current situation. And this is the terrace. Complete terrace has anti-skid flooring, tiles anti-skid. There is also one common toilet, lift room and staircase room. This is the central shaft, ventilation purpose with glass. There is a common toilet and bathroom. And this is the laundry area covered with sheet roof, including this overall 4,000 square feet of super built up area. All other details are given in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.